Let's have a look at the question.
125 cubes of the same size are arranged in the form of cube on a table. Then a column of 5 cube is removed from each of 4 corners. All the exposed faces of the rest of the solvent except the face touching the table are colored red. Now answer this question based on the above statement. First we'll try to analyze the cube here. So what they have told, they have taken out a cube of size 5:5:5. That is nothing but they have told 125. 5:5:5. And what they have told, they are going to remove a column of 5 cubes from each of the corner. All the cubes of that particular columns has been removed. And after removing that, the modified cube, it's not actually the cube now. And the remaining faces of that particular solid has been painted red except the one which is touching the table. It means I can say the one which is touching the table is unpainted. So if you are going to analyze the picture will somewhat look like this. So you have removed this particular thing. This has been removed. Next, this has been removed. This has been removed, and this has been removed. Okay, the corners has been removed, the edges. Once you have removed this particular cube will look like this. Okay, this you have to visualize. This is what you have to visualize. Now what they are asked, how many small cubes are there in a solid after the removal of the columns? Is after the removal of the columns, number of the smaller cubes. The total cube is 125, and how many columns has been removed? 4 columns has been removed. What is the total number of count in each column? Each column had 5. So 4 into 5 has been removed. So I can say 125 minus 20, which gives 105 cubes. 105 cubes are there in the solid after removal of the columns. Next, how many cubes do not have any face colored? Any colored face. Okay. Now if you are going to look into this, no colored face is always the one which is inside. So because of this thing, it is not going to affect the cubes which are below this S, T, U, P, Q, R, M, and O. It is not going to affect those things which are inside because it has not touched those cubes. So all the cubes which are inside, yes, that is going to work out. So I can say it is nothing but n minus 2 whole cube. This is the one. Now plus, because of the one which is touching the table, that is not painted. So if you're going to look into this, I can say this is the bottom face which is not colored. This is not at all colored. If you're going to take this is bottom. Okay, this is red. This is also red. This is how bottom looks like. Okay, so if you're going to look into this bottom, I can say this is the one which is red. This is also connected on the other side. But this is the one which is no face colored. No face color. So again I have got 3 by 3. That is nothing but n minus 2 whole square values. So which gives 3 cube plus 3 square. 27 plus 9, which gives 36 cubes, which are not painted. We have got 36 cubes which are not painted. Now let's have a look into the third one. How many cubes have only one red face each? So only one red face. So first look into the other faces here. So if you're going to look into the only one red face, I can say on the top surface, this is the one which is having only one red face, which is nothing but 9 plus. So all these faces, the vertical faces or the wall faces are having the same number count. So I'll check out with this. So 1, 2, 3 are one faces. So 1, 2, 3. So I have got 4 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4 with 3, which are one face painted. So I can say 3 into 4. Next is left out is bottom. So if you're going to look into the bottom, this is the red part, but this is not painted. This is not painted. So this is going to be one side painted. Again, I can say this is the one which is one side painted. This is the one which is one side painted, and this is the one which is one side painted. I have got 4 pieces I've got 4 cubes which I have got one side painted. So I'll be adding 4 to it. So I can say 9 plus 12 plus 4, that is nothing but 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 9 gives 25. So we have got 25 cubes which have one red face each. Next, how many cubes have two colored faces each? Now be careful with this, two colored faces. So two colored faces are at the top surface. I have got this as one, this as one, this as one, and this as one at the top face. So I've got 4 things. Now at this one, so I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 top has been taken. So I've got 6 things which are like 2 face painted. I'm not looking at the bottom one. So similarly, I have got 4 faces. I can say 6 4 times. Now if you're going to look into the bottom part, this is the one which is 3 colored faces on the top. But when it comes to the bottom, this is the one which is 2 colored faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is 3 colored, this is 3 colored. But when it comes to the bottom, it will be 2 colored. So it will have 8. So I can say 4 plus 24 plus 8. So which is going to be 24 plus 12, which is going to be 36. So we have got 36 cubes which are 2 colored faces each. Next one. How many cubes have more than 3 colored faces? Yes, this is the corner which is looking like it is going to have 3 colored faces, right? 3 colored faces. So this is the only one which is having maximum possibility, but still that is the one which is having 3 colored faces. So more than 3 colored faces is not possible in this diagram. It is not there. So I can say no, it is going to be 0. We have got 0 cubes which have more than 3 colored faces.
Thanks for watching, and for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.